Introducing the July Recipe Box. Celebrate good times, come on! This month's box is kid-friendly with kid-friendly recipes and essential oils.
Like this slime.
This stretch ball.
And bubbles. So in this month's box, we have 4 full-size essential oils. We have fir needle essential oil, which helps kids focus. Lavender essential oil, which is really calming and relaxing. Sweet Dreams Essential Oil Blend. This is our new blend that will help your child get to sleep at night, and we have a few recipes that are perfect to add to your child's bedtime routine. And Tangerine Essential Oil, which is really uplifting scent and can help boost creativity, perfect when your child is a little down in the dumps. It also comes with PSYLLIUM husk powder, which we're going to use in our natural slime recipe.
A balloon.
Which will be used in our stress ball.
The labels, so you can have labels on the items that you're making, and the master blend that you're going to make this month.
And also 6 recipe cards.
My favorite thing about this box is the slime. It's super fun, it looks like flubber, and it's awesome.
And here comes Jeremiah with the slime now.
And when you start today, you'll get a free big bonus box, which has all the contents that you're gonna need for the next 6 months worth of recipes that are coming your way. Like almond oil, coconut oil, hard coconut oil, 6 roll-ons, plus 5 of the 5 milliliter bottles, so you can make all kinds of your own master blends.
And beeswax.
So if you want these recipes,
all kid-friendly, then subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box. And you'll have some really fun activities to do with your child this month that they will love.
bubbles, bubbles.
So go and make your home more natural.
See you next month.